Last night, I kept hearing these strange sounds, and I felt like something was maybe on the boat, and I kept looking outside, and I was hoping that it might be a bird. And this morning, it's all quiet, and I got out. I was over here fixing to wash yesterday's dishes in a bucket of water, and I hadn't noticed that my trash bag had been compromised here. And something had been in the trash bag. And I don't know, a little voice told me that something was aboard, and I hoped it was a bird and it had gone away. And I lifted the corner of this cushion right here, and there's a mouse on the boat! Or a rat or something. I didn't see the tail. It's a big fat one. So now I gotta deal with that, and I'm really not happy about it. Boat. I don't want to deal with rodents. Oh. Okay, so the good news is that my little visitor is above decks, which is why I had to shut the hatch, because it's right there and I don't want it to get inside, because that would be worse than having it outside. I kind of want to lift the cushion and see if it's still there, but I kind of don't, because I'm afraid it's going to run inside. I can at least be safe inside. Thanks to the morning's excitement, I decided to walk to the dock to meet dog. And look who I happen to meet. Hi guys. The neighbors. Trying to make peace with the critters, but I would like for them to stay off my boat. Back from a successful trip to town. I got all kind of good traps and poison to kill that rat. Arr. And I got a bunch of stuff. Oh, I'm excited about this. Got a new ball valve for the water system, which I don't know if this is all I need. Might need another piece to go in here, I'm not sure. I got one of these just in case, little PVC one. And I got tea and light bulbs. Oh boy, light bulbs. Jesse got me some eggs. And I am good to go. First things first, I'm going to bait this trap. Put it down somewhere, not sure where. And the glue traps too. Good news, bad news. I was lying down below. I'm so tired. Not sleeping. I heard this rustling right around here where I saw the little bugger. And I had a big piece of bait in that cup, and it is now gone. So this is both good and bad. There's also a sticky trap right there, which it somehow managed to avoid. Oh, bugger. So I'm hoping the little feller is going to perish and not go below, because I have been keeping myself locked in to try to prevent it from getting below. We are now in day 2 of the rat nightmare. I was up half the night with the damn thing on the deck chewing something that I will probably have to repair, but I'm hoping not. I don't know what it was, but I get up this morning and I realize I forgot to shut this port, which I was trying to get some ventilation since I have the boat all shut up. And guess what? The little bastard chewed my $20 screen that I got with great difficulty, and I was so happy with, and I'm so upset about this. And this also probably means that the little bastard was down below and might still be here in the boat, inside the boat with me. So there's more poison going out, and I'm gonna try to bait the trap with some ham, which was recommended, and see if the bugger will take it. I'm so upset right now. Jesse called just as I was having a massive breakdown and asked me if I wanted to go to town. So I'm going to town because I need to get off the boat because I am so upset about this rat. And look, the little bugger, what in the heck? Why? This is plastic fuel hose that I just bought. What? I don't understand. And there's poop everywhere above decks. Although the screens were chewed, and I can't even think about it coming below decks. Going to town. Try not to think about it for a little while. I got my big girl pants on, and I put on a shirt. I have my calipers, and I am going to be really brave. And I'm going up into the chain locker, and I'm going to measure the bolts on the fitting for the bobstay chain plate. So I make sure I order the right one when I get the replacement. So here I go. Here again. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I've done my job for the moment. Oh my God. Getting in and out of these places. Things are falling on me. Oh. Oh gosh. I put my foot down there. Oh, crap. Ow. Okay. Oh, gosh. It would be easier if there wasn't like a bunch of stuff down here and a feeding station for the rat and all this junk everywhere. But hey, can't even stand up. Okay. So the good news is that Kathy is almost here. She is coming along the south side of Puerto Rico as we speak. And she should be here like any day, hopefully soon, so that I can get all her junk out of this V-berth so that I can have better access and space to keep stuff like this. And I'm very much hoping that Mr. Ratty Face is breathing no more. It's terrible, isn't it? I don't like killing him, but why does he have to come on my boat? Stay where you were. There's nothing here for him anyway. So stupid. What's he thinking swimming out here? Oy vey. Crazy thing. So possibly the rainbow is a gift to make up for the fact that I'm on day 3 now of the rat battle. I'm so tired of this thing scurrying around on my decks all night and chewing things and driving me generally. And there's poo everywhere. And I set this lovely trap, and I even opened a whole can of ham. And I heard a jingling this morning, and no, the thing has just nibbled away. Sticky trap got moved. Just kick that aside. Don't worry about it. Driving me up the wall. The incredible, the amazing has happened. Kathy is here, and she's coming over to get some of her stuff. I'm so excited. So, yeah. I gotta get all her stuff out of the V-berth and into the cockpit, or at least some of it. There's a whole bunch of it in the hanging locker too, which, oh boy, it's gonna be a trick to get out. We're in day 3 of the rat nightmare, and the sleep is very sporadic because of the skittling on the deck, skittering, whatever, and I don't know what to do. I have 4 different kinds of traps out, 2 different kinds of poison, And I had to sleep with the boat closed up last night because I was so afraid they were going to get back below. The last minute I went out and stuffed some steel wool into the hawse hole where the anchor line goes in because I was afraid they might come in that way. And I'm trying to think of any other little tiny hole they could get in here because I don't want them in here. They chewed up a bag that was up in the V-berth that was inches from the mainsail, and they left the mainsail, so thank God for that. But the chewing, I can't have the chewing. I can't have it. I don't like killing them. I don't like having them suffer, but I can't have it. I can't have them gnawing on my boat. They have to go. I'm afraid it's more than one because I set the, my neighbor Patty gave me the zapper trap, and I heard it ping last night, and then I heard it ping again and again this morning. So I don't think it can electrocute them 3 times. And if there were 3 of them, there's more because I still heard them skittling around after the last ping. So I'm thinking I'm going to find all the traps empty and the poison's still there. I don't know what they're eating. It makes me very nervous. And luckily it's cool. It's like 75 degrees. So I am not like dying in here from no air. I was afraid maybe I was going to suffocate, but I'm still here. So I'm going out on deck to make a tour. And I'm hoping to find some dead rats. Or at least one. One would make me happy. I have toured the decks and found nothing but poo and empty traps. This is the 5-gallon bucket with the bait floating in it. Totally untouched. Steel wool in the hawse hole may have worked because it looks like they tried to pull it out but were unsuccessful. It's a whole big wad of steel wool stuffed in there and they don't like chewing on it, so yeah. They're capable of chewing on it, is what I understand. They can chew sheet metal is what I read. I'm getting a little desperate. Jesse's here helping me with the mainsail. We're laying it out. It's long. Oh, this is...
I've seen lots worse.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
This is a lot of holes. Headboard. It's deteriorated a little bit. The stitching. Wow, it's so long. It's day 5 of my epic battle with the crafty rat. I hope it's not more than one, because this is an amazing foe that I'm facing here. I set the electric trap with fresh batteries, and it somehow managed to take the bait out of it. I don't know how this happened. I set a double spring heavy duty trap with a big pad to set it off, which I thought for sure was going to get it. And the little bugger tripped the trap and did not get caught. So I think today is going to be the day I'm going to have to pull that cushion off and, I have another little arsenal of things to try, like mothballs and ammonia. Try to, fume them out. I just don't want them coming below. So this is a trick. Okay, here I am at the bow. The pie plates. Ready to put them on. Halfway, they say. Got the duct tape, strings. Okay. Sleeve. Oh, look at that. It's perfect. Oh my gosh. They almost would just go like that. Already securing it all, but I want them secure. On the way by, I just want to point out the glue trap that has ham on it that the thing has totally ignored. And over there is a snap trap with the 2 springs and the big pad, and the thing just laughed at it, tripped it, took the bait, and it went on its merry way. Okay, I went up and checked on the steel wool. I got steel wool stuffed in the corners of the companionway. I wasn't able to stuff anything up here, so there's a possibility it'll get below, but God, I hope it doesn't. I just wanted to go over the side and go away. I'm so tired. Tired of dealing with this thing. Just stop. I got everything in the dinghy to go to town with Jesse. I'm fully suited up with my rubber boots, my Fally jacket, because I don't want to be bitten. Oh, I hope it's still in there. It stays in there. Yeah, I hear you trying to get out of there. Forget it. We're not coming out of there right yet. Now I have to get in the dinghy with it, which I'd rather not do. Got to. What else am I gonna do? I'm gonna get it off my boat. Bravery, man. Talk about bravery. Sheepers. Eye on you. I tried to kill him, but he went by. There he is. The container. I hope it's in there. Okay, it's going. Here you go. Can you see?
Yeah.
Ready? Can you see me? All right. Ready? Ratty McRatface. Out you get. Woo! There he goes. Woohoo! Freedom! Make sure there's nothing else in here. Nothing. Oh man.
He was a big one.
I keep telling Johnny not to bring me food, but then he's like, well, I have this fresh bread and I can't eat it all. What am I supposed to do? Gotta eat it. It's so good. There's a little melted cheese on there. And he didn't bring me brownies this time, but he did bring me, he has caponata, which is just the best thing I have put in my mouth in over a year. He puts it over bread, and he made the eggplant caponata, and it was so good with the olives and tomato, and he melted some cheese over it in the solar oven, and it was so good. It's gone. I ate it all.